Hi guys, this is Nenad speaking and welcome to our weekly Forex recap. Today is 27th of August and we will see different trading ideas and setups. I have prepared for you a lot of different ideas and setups. Let me just quickly write the correct slide. So today we will see a lot of different setups and yeah, I think that we will continue making pips as we already have in last week. So a lot of pips have been on table, and I think that basically we made a great trade with the BTC Bitcoin forever. Whoever traded the BTC dollar made excellent amount of pips because the price went exactly as I showed, and I think that basically that was the trade of the week. For Forex, of course, the trade of the week was the Australian dollar. And as always, guys, even more pips we can make with the ECS live service. That is what Chris and I have been doing with, of course, our elite currency. And I think that results speak for themselves. If you are ECS live member, you know that we provide each day we provide signals, trading ideas, and so on. So even more pips. But of course, session recaps are free. You are free to call everyone, guys. Whoever you think can be a trader or should trade, you can call him or her, and of course, it's free for all. These are the results. Of course, this is my FX book, and this is the result for Telegram service. You can see it's technical trading. This is strictly signals and trading ideas that we are providing, that I've been providing with ECS live members, and you can see the result here. The equity curve is very positive, and I think that results, of course, speak for themselves. So this is the equity curve of Camarilla MACD, of course, here, and yeah, we can continue now. So wish you again a huge welcome, and I'm very happy for you being here with us so we can proceed. CFD and Forex are leveraged products, can result in losses that exceed your deposit, and they are not suitable for everyone. So please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved. And of course, Forex, every setup that you see here is my personal opinion only. Also have in mind that we trade these setups with rules. So give price a breathing room. We enter in the zone. It's called the POC zone. Add a spread to your stop loss. Even if you trade with ECN account at 2 to 5 pip spread, depending on pair traded. We take only one position per listed pair, whichever hits first. First touch of the zone is the most profitable. That is why we need to focus on the first touch. Positional trades are called trend trades. Alternative trades are counter trend trades. Breakout trades and scalp trade levels are traded independently of any position. Depending on time and volatility, we use profit stop after 20 pips, but not less. For equities and commodities, please protect your profits around important levels and use trailing stop. These setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. Of course, add these levels to your system. Pay attention to trend. And don't forget that a pips pool, the term that I use, is the maximum available number of pips you could have made on my entries, okay? So this is, guys, what we have today. Yeah, first I will show you results. For the previous week, euro dollar was a loss, minus 40 pips. GBP dollar was good for 35 possible pips. The Australian dollar was good for 100 pips. Euro yen positional trade 35. BTC dollar 320 pips if you traded the BTC versus dollar. Total pip pool was 130, and if you traded the BTC, it was 450. Trade of the week was the Australian dollar. Of course, with the ECS live service, there was even more pips. But as I say, this is, of course, free for all, these webinars. And you know, guys, how I work. I always want to be transparent. I want to be fully professional. And what Chris and I have been doing, you know, guys, a lot of people simply want to follow signals, want to follow trades, and no one will provide you their my FX book, really. I mean, not literally no one, but a very small amount of traders will show you my FX book statistics, everything keeping on track, And you know how it goes. They only just talk without showing you proofs. That is what Chris and I are different. We always provide proofs. We always provide everything. Everything is fully transparent. And of course, not just this, but also what I'm talking about today, it's session recap, free setups, and each day, each Monday, these are free setups. So euro dollar was in uptrend, and we had a sell trade, but unfortunately you see that our sell trade went into a loss because the price hit our sell trade, and then it started to drop, but it first hit a stop loss, then it dropped slightly. But nevertheless, this was not a good trade because the price hit stop loss. GBP dollar was in uptrend, but we shorted it at the right spot. This was the short. This was a maximum exit because the price made a double bottom and then started to climb. So this was the change of the trend. The screen shouldn't be frozen. Just guys check. I think that screen is okay. You should be seeing the pound dollar slide. Screen, just confirm. I think it's okay. Screen should be okay. I'm showing currently the GBP dollar. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, thanks for confirmation. You see, I mean, sometimes you will maybe experience some problems because of the internet connection. And yeah, you see the GBP dollar. You know, guys, when we have a losing trade, usually it's when trend changes. So when we see a trend change, there is a time usually when we see a losing trade. Most of the time when the trend is in place, approximately 70-80% of trades will go in profits. But sometimes when there is a change, a switch of a trend, that is a time when we can make a loss. So this was a time when we, fortunately, this was good to at least protect some 20-25 pips, guys. You see, at least you could have shorted here as I showed, and then the price dropped, so you could have maybe protected your profits around these levels. I see my old friend Edith here. Hi Edith, nice to see you here. We met in London when I was having a seminar with other markets a few years ago, and yeah, my friend Edith is here. So yeah, hi Edith and welcome. Haven't seen you in a while. So yeah, this is the euro dollar. This was the pound dollar. Then the trade of the week was the Australian dollar. You see the Australian dollar, 73.40 was our entry. We had a slight drawdown here. You see the price went to 73.80. But guys, if you read my instructions correctly, always add the spread to your stop loss. Always plus add 2 to 5 pip spread. And if you did it, you should have basically, if you had made it, you should have never lost this trade, because this is you see the head and shoulders pattern, and then the price dropped basically here. So nice rejection from the 73.80 here. Basically, this was the spot where you could have entered, and then you see a lot of pips could have been made with the Australian dollar. Euro yen, again, there was a change of trend, and here we had a sell trade. At least you could have protected some 30 pips, I don't know, maybe 20-30 pips, because the price went up a little bit later. And the BTC dollar, as I said during my last webinar, the BTC dollar was in downtrend, and this was a positional sell around 68 70. You see it was 63.88. So this was the spot to actually short the BTC dollar, and then the price dropped towards well, the TP, even it overshot the TP and went down. So these were the results. And once more, for all of you who joined later on Telegram, of course, keeping it very professional, very clear, very strict. This is, guys, what we have. These are my signals for Camarilla MACD that I provide our traders on Elite Currency, ECS Live, Camarilla MACD method. You see the result transparent, everything is clear. Telegram signals, okay? Okay, let's get back now. Today, this week, I will actually show you, I will go step by step, okay? And step by step is basically what I will be doing now. So that means that I will show you the screen and we will analyze the price together, and then I will write it in the slide. So this is the euro dollar, and guys, you see now the price has formed a giant head and shoulders inverted bullish SHS pattern here. You see the left, the head, the right shoulder, and now I think that the price actually could reject from 1630 if it drops towards 1760, where we will sell it. So the first, of course, slide. Now I will write it down. Now the euro dollar, as I already, guys, if you remember my trade from Friday, ECS Live members, I said go long on euro dollar, and some traders are probably still in long trade. You should have scaled out, leave a long trade running. So I hope maybe you close it, whatever, guys, you're in profit, because our signal was to go long euro dollar. Now euro dollar is in uptrend. Okay, I will write it down and we will go. So positional buy 1.1630. Okay, stop loss should be, let's see where the stop loss should be. So if you go long here, I think that the price eventually will drop here, retesting this level here. You see this was a breakout spot, so I expect a retest. If it happens, it should spike the price up, and 1590 should be the stop. We target 1755. Okay, 1590, and TP is 1.1755. Of course, alternative sell is 1.1755 with a stop loss. Let's check it now. Stop loss should be above this high. That is actually 1790. So I would say, yeah, I mean, if it spikes here, I don't think that it should go above this. So 1795, I would say 1.1795, and the TP, of course, is 1.16. Well, this is tricky now. I don't think it will go to 630, but I think that if it hits this level, it will retest this zone. So I would say 1690. Yeah, this should be the TP. So I expect a further appreciation of euro dollar. As I say, this could be a nice trade. If you're still in trade, guys, enjoy the trade. You're in profit, protect your profits. Yeah. Now the GBP dollar, I gave a signal today, guys, for traders on ECS Live, and I'm still in trade. So what can I say? It's tricky because now the GBP dollar is generally in downtrend, but we had a long signal on 4-hour time frame, and you can see currently I am almost 55 pips in profit. I already scaled out, protected profits. Now I'm running a free ride. So whatever happens with this trade, our profits have been secured. Stress-free trading, you can see it's connected to my FX book. Trading is excellent. Trading is a real business. You just need, guys, to enjoy it. And one more thing, guys, just follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram I post a lot of different videos. I'm not talking just about trading. I usually post something from my life, something that I like to do, you know. So you can follow me on Instagram and K Tarantula. So you will find me there. I publish stories almost each day. So yeah, you can get closer to me, of course. So you can see here, this is ascending scallop now forming on the GBP dollar. So I guess that 2850 is still good to go long. So I would say GBP now is in uptrend. I'm talking about 4-hour time perspective. I'm not talking about daily, because we don't trade daily charts. GBP dollar is in uptrend, okay, and I would say buy 1.2750, stop loss is 1.2690. What did I just missed one? Yeah, I know it's not correct. So 28. Sorry, guys, need to be careful with this. 28.50. Stop loss is 27.90. TP is 1.2950. This could be a nice spot where I placed my target. Now I want to see if it can actually break this 29.04. If it breaks this level, then it should go up. If it doesn't break it, guys, I might close my trade. Now I'm talking also for traders who are members of ECS live service. So I will, of course, announce it on Telegram. This is where I will pay special attention to, and this is the final price. So guys, if you want to still join, you need to wait for the price to drop, although you might short it around 29.60. I would say it's good to short, keeping stop loss at 300, but it would be a counter trend trade. So of course, please protect your profits. So sell 1.2955. Stop loss is 1.3000, and the TP is yeah, probably will be another leg to the upside. Yeah, but I would say, yeah, the daily high 29.15. Yeah, this is tricky, not ideal, but I think this could be a 29.05 final TP. I mean, 1.2905. Not ideal, but that is what market is giving us. We cannot change the market, but this is general idea. Now, let's say the Australian dollar. Yeah, trade of the week. Definitely last week, previous week was the Australian dollar. You see how the price is respecting now a possible move. Okay, I would like to see this around 74.40, but now I think 73 is a way. It's actually a way to go long, and you need to keep the stop below this. So great risk to reward. 17.320. Yeah, I would say now the Australian dollar is in uptrend, and buy. So positional buy 1 point. No, it's zero actually. Yeah, 0.7320. Yeah, stop loss 72.90. Stop loss is 72.90, and TP is 0.7445. Now positional sell 0.7445 with a stop loss. Let's check it, the stop loss. Yeah, because the price, if it gets there, you see a lot of historical sellers failed inverted head and shoulders. So here I would say 74.80, 77.80. But please, guys, protect your profits. 20, 30 pips. If you get a profits, protect it. 77.80, and the TP is, yeah, I don't know why I'm double dot. Okay, I would say 73.80. It would be a retest. This would be a retest, guys. So 73.80. Oh, 73, 76. No, 77.45. Wait, guys, I'm totally now 74, 74.80. TP is 73.80. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, good. I know. Basically, the Australian dollar is bearish if you take a big picture. So that is why I'm saying we will probably see a sell from this level. It is affected by the trade war between the US and China. And if we take a look at deeper fundamentals, it's not good for the Aussie. So generally speaking, it should drop even more. But you see, the technical picture is slightly different. It's dropping, but it's always bought. So I would say sell here, buy there, because this is double bottom. If it breaks this double bottom, make a breakout trade. Yeah, I will say, guys, if it makes the break, if it makes below 73.05 is a breakout trade. Pay attention. So below 73.05 is a breakout trade. Okay, guys, watch for this, because maybe if you go long and you see that the price is going down, if it breaks the bottom, you need to short it. What I usually do is, if I take 1% of risk and I lose this 1% of risk with a breakout trade, I can compensate for that. Not always making it break even, but I will definitely lower the loss if it happens. So do it also. You should not put the full risk into a single position. So wait for the price. If you get a stop loss, if you're stopped out, then wait for a breakout trade and then just go with the flow, right? So if the double bottom breaks, you enter with a slightly higher lot, and then you will actually compensate for a possible loss. Okay, so pay attention to it. It's very, very important. Okay, now next one, guys, is the euro yen, and this will be the dollar yen actually. Okay, the dollar yen. Okay, for this one, I need to see this. You see, 4-hour time frame showing a possible spike, but I would say this is the better level. 110.80. This is a long trade, keeping a stop loss at 110.50. So dollar yen now is ranging. Positional buy. Okay, positional buy 110.80. Stop loss 110.50. The target is this daily upper Bollinger Band 111.80. And I would say there is a place to go short. Positional sell 111.80. Stop loss is, I think I know it by heart. Yeah, of course, 112.20. I mean, 12s, 50s, 80s, 00s are natural support and resistance levels. Keep that in mind. So, and the TP is, okay, if you go short there, the TP, of course, definitely will be, I would say this would be an uptrend, and so 100 and, wait. No. If we go here, wait, 90, I would say 80. Okay, 80, it's okay. Definitely 111.30. We need to go with this, okay? Yeah, not an ideal, but you see, yeah, the GBP is in profits. Yeah, you see, guys, I mean, now I will see what I will do with this trade. Not bad, I think. Maybe it will go there. I think it will probably shoot up and then reject. But nevertheless, guys, now we have nice pips. Okay, we will see. This is, you see, a lot of rejections from this spot. So I expect the price to get here. And then we will probably, yeah, this will probably shoot down towards this level. Mookie saying, GBP approaching WH3, you made my day. Yeah, I mean, I don't usually trade during holidays, but today was a great day to long the GBP dollar. And of course, guys, I'm there setting my traps as a spider, tarantula, and of course, tarantula is always dangerous, even when there is a bank holiday. Yeah, let's keep it rolling. Yeah, one more thing, guys, the BTC dollar, and then I will try to answer your questions. The BTC dollar is, this is the Bitcoin. Okay, let's see the Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah. The Bitcoin, guys, you see, I think that if the price gets there, this is a huge confluence. This is a good place to go short. But I would say this is uptrend now, but it's ranging. So it's mostly ranging. So I would say, yeah, 70-20. I don't know if it gets there, but it's tricky. 70.05. 70.05 is in still downtrend. So positional sell is 7005, stop loss 700.05. Always 100 pip stop loss, default stop loss. We don't use technical, we use fixed stop loss here. And 6780 is okay. 6780, 6780. Now alternative buy trade. Potentially here 63.90, I would say, but I'm not sure. I would say 65.50, 65.50, because the price could go like this. You see the trend line, guys. There is a trend line here, so I would say maybe here, because we have another trend line there, so it indicates, yeah, I would say 65.50, 550 stop loss 64.50, TP is 67.80 if it gets there. Okay, so this is for this week. Yeah, nice setups. I hope that we will make more pips. Okay, so now I can try to answer your questions, guys. Tomasz is asking about Euro Yen, and I will roll the slides again. So Euro Yen is the first one. Yeah, Euro Yen. For Euro Yen, big uptrend. I would say 130.20. I think this could be a short trade here. This looks like a potential short, 130.20. So pay attention to this level, this zone. Next question is, please look at gold and the GBP New Zealand. Okay. Gold. Okay, I will use this as a gold. Wait. Okay. Again, it's going up, but I would say this is a level to go short, 12.1635. This could be the level to go long, 12.00. So again, ascending scallop. I mean, not clear, but it looks like it's correcting now, and I would say go short there. A lot of rejections here, you see, in the history. So this is a place to go short. Now it's going up, but I think it will drop. The dollar Swissy, counterpart of the euro dollar, dollar Swissy is going down as euro dollar is going up. So I think that this could be a level. If it doesn't break, if you see that there is a reversal pattern here, you need to go long, but only if reversal pattern appears. Otherwise, I would say this is the level 28.20 to go another short. But pay attention to this. If this breaks, then potential long is 97.45 because it's weekly L4, at least for some small short trade. But this is dropping now as euro dollar is going up. Dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD. I will take a look now. You see the dollar CAD, not an ideal situation. M, bearish, head and shoulders, left head right, and another head and shoulders. This is going down. I would say this is 29.36. Pay attention, 29.25. This could be a long, but you definitely need to actually check if there will be some potential reversal pattern here around 29.25 and 29.35-36. So pay attention to this zone here, okay? If we see a reversal pattern, then it should go up. Hi, Ilya. Ilya is joining also. Nice to see you here, Ilya, and welcome. I will roll the slides so you will see what I'm talking about, of course, and I will, because you haven't seen the start of this webinar, well, I'm always showing my FX book for Camarilla ECS Live members. As I say, being a trader, an educator, and, well, always professional to the maximum, I'm always keeping it transparent. Because for me, a trader who educates other people or traders needs to have results checked out and written, not just on paper, but with, let's say, my FX book. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I will show it again. And one more thing, Euro Australian dollar. Okay, Euro Australian dollar. Let's check the Euro Australian dollar. This is a huge uptrend on Euro Australian dollar. And I would say a long trade, another long trade could be possibly be seen here, could possibly be seen here, because this is the level to go long. Short trade only here if you see a reversal pattern around monthly H5. Usually, guys, when price approaches monthly H5 on Camarilla or L5, it can overshoot it a little bit, then it makes a U-turn. So this can happen here. Overshoot the MH5, monthly H5, and then make a U-turn to the downside. You need to watch if there will be some reversal patterns. If it happens, guys, then, well, then you are free, of course, to trade it. But this is uptrend. Long here, short on a U-turn, very clear. And once more, yeah, this is the result for Camarilla trading on ECS live channel, Telegram channel. Keep it transparent, verified account, my account, and you can see here everything is clear, everything is transparent. If you want to show people how you trade, if you want to teach people how you trade, you need to show results, guys. So thank you always for your comments. And yeah, so this is what we are doing, and now this is what we have for this week. I will roll the slides again. Yeah, this was the previous week result, and now we are again in a nice positive territory, and these are slides. Euro dollar slide, then the GBP dollar slide. Yeah, he's back from holidays. Yeah, I hope that you had a great holiday. I was actually also having a very good holiday. I was in Croatia with my very, very good friends, and yeah, we had a great holiday also. Yeah, it was a bit dynamic when I got back here. A lot of things to do, a lot of stuff to do, and you know, it's always, you know, it's even if it's 7-10 days, there is always job waiting for you when you get back. So yeah, but still, it's let's say it's summertime, and I'm definitely enjoying every bit of the summer, and I will be enjoying it as long as I can, going each day to the pool, swimming, going to night swim, training hard. As always, guys, check my profile on Instagram. You will see a lot of different stories, a lot of different pictures, funny ones, serious ones, and so on and so on. Irit is saying the last week was amazing. Thank you, Irit. Okay, thank you. Muki is saying, great teacher. Have no other words. Excellent, guys. Of course, guys, if you really appreciate my webinars and what we have been doing, you go to Forex Peace Army and find Elite Currency, and please leave a good review of our services, because we are really trying to give you the best. What I trade, I give to you also. Yeah, Forex Peace Army and Elite Currency, so you can leave a review there. And you see dollar yen and the BTC dollar. So I think this was everything for today. I hope that you enjoyed the webinar. I like to show myself also. That is why I've been using the camera since I started the session recaps with ECS. And I hope to see you soon again, guys. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And I love you all. Cheers, guys. Trade safe. Talk to you soon.